Hello everyone and welcome back to CRGTR channel. So today I will introduce you guys my two custom brushes made by myself from Medibank Pen Pro. And what the special about this brush, you can see the screen right now. That's the one is called Sky Leaf, and the second one is called the Tree One. Here to see the Sky Leaf brush. This is a 3-in-1 brush, and for those two brushes you can use this with a pen for the tablet drawing tablet, and also you can use that with the mouse in case that you don't have the drawing tablet. Okay, I will demo you guys what you can do in a new file. Here, let's see the Sky Leaf. The first one will gonna be the Sky Leaf brush. You will draw from the bottom to the top. Okay, here from the bottom to the top, and you can even draw like this in the curve line like this one. It's not really work perfectly as on the brush in Clip Studio Pen, but I hope this can help you a little bit when you're drawing the background, the nature background, yeah. And you can see that even the color here is green, but the brush is just black and white. Because I want to apply this one, so you can see, use them for your comic, your manga, or even your drawing to work better. So I make this one not apply foreground color, because when you choose apply foreground color for the brush, they will change it into the multiply mode for those brushes, yeah. So how you can apply color for the brush? You will create a new file and choose clipping here. This time I will use the fill tool with the rectangle type. I don't want the lines here to have the black color, and I want to change it. In case that you don't want to change the light color, just the black color here, you can skip this step. Okay, here first I will fill all the things here. I will choose the dark green. Okay, I will fill the whole picture, and you can see when I fill the whole pictures here, the color of the brush is changing to the color I just applied. In case you like it, you just stop here and you are done with the brush. And if you like what you can see in the demo here, I will show you how I do it. Now the blending of this layer tool, I will change it into the screen. And you can see that the color of the line of this brush is changing to the green, dark green that I want. Next, I will apply the color for the inside the leaf. I will create a new file and choose clipping. The same with the fill tool and the light color, light green color, and fill the whole picture like this. Okay, now I will change the blending to multiply, and that is how we change the color inside the brush. And even the light is not black anymore, they will change into the green because of the screen layer. Okay, and that's it, and here you are done. In case you want to have more details, that depends you guys. You will create a new layer with clipping again, and back with the watercolor brush or pen brush, and paint the shadow by yourself. That's it. Like this. And I suggest at this step you change the blending to multiply again, so you won't cover the line. In case you can see that in the normal it will cover the line of the leaf. So if you change it into multiply, the line is not covered and you have the shadow of the leaf. That is if you love the details. Okay. So get back to here, that's what I'm doing. You can see that I create a lot of leaf here, one layer, the second layer, and the third layer to make a lot of leaf here to create the background. Now we will move to the second brush. The second brush is the tree in the background, and because it's in the background, I always put the layer that I will draw the tree here in the bottom. And now here we have the tree one brush. I will drag it like this, and now you will have the tree in the background. You can use the mouse with click and hold shift, then drag it, and here is your tree. The same as for the leaf. I will create a new layer, change it the blending mode to the screen for changing the outline. And next, the next layer, clipping again, change blending mode to multiply to fill inside of the tree. Here you are done. So we go back to the demo background that I create here. You can see that I'm doing a lot here, and then I put all of those layers in one folder, create new layer, put the blending is overlay to change the color to have more shimmer or form feeling of the for those background, for this background, because I want it to feel kinda romantic. That's it. And the old colors is not look that way, so that's why I'm changing it with the overlay color. And next, I want to have a little light here to show something that is the light is shiny in the background to make it look more romantic and beautiful. So that's why I create a new layer and change the blending mode to lighten. Choose the cyan color around here, then use airbrush and use the big size of airbrush, drag a little bit around here to have the great feeling about the light. And that's it about this video. You can find all of my custom brush on my Facebook fan page, search CLGTRNEEN for this, and you will find the link to download them, the setting, and also for the picture and how to do it. Okay, that's it. See you next time.